SB19 pa simpleng nilapag ang Be It moments ni Style on latest vlog. First of all, SB19 never relies on backtrack. Gumagamit man sila nito in the difficult parts of the song, which means mga parte na may demanding vocals plus intense choreo, pero hindi sila umaasa sa backtrack. They use it only when needed, but they don't rely on it. Especially Style na isa sa may mga pinaka-stable na vocals in the industry. So, napaka-timing ng paglapag ng SB19 ng kanilang latest vlog showing the Be It moments of Style. The context is may isang reactor na nagsabing Style has been relying on backtracks. Although this has been said without bad intentions at pure opinion lamang, pero kailangan ding klaruhin. Style never relies on backtrack. Gumagamit man sila ng backtrack but always zero to minimal at hindi sila umaasa dito. The reactor should not have used the word rely. Kaya napaka-timing nitong latest vlog ng SB19. Now to 18, reminder lamang, when defending our mahalima, stick to the issue, answer with facts, and always with respect, lalo na kung wala namang bad intentions at hindi kilalang basher. Stick to the issue at wag nang mangdamay pa ng ibang mga members dahil tiyak na sasagutin ng ibang mga fans at ang ending, tayo na ang magkakagulo sa loob ng fandom. Now in answering, lapagan nyo ng facts, lapagan nyo ng links, and then let them be. Kilala na naman natin ang SB19 and they have proven again and again that they are not just monster vocals, they are monster performers.